and Moreland, featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
With gusty southwest winds, temperatures took off today. Highs were in the 30s to around 40 degrees, which means our early winter deep freeze came to an end. We had temperatures that were below 32 degrees for 482 hours, making it the longest sub-freezing streak before December 15th in 83 years. And that has resulted in our coldest start to December in 49 years. But a weather 180 is underway. We had a wind chill of 32 degrees below zero Saturday morning. Today, the high temperature hit 35, so away from the wind, it felt nearly 70 degrees warmer today than it did over the weekend, and temperatures this evening are still in the 30s to around 40 degrees, including a reading of 39 degrees in Wapaka. Up and down the Fox Valley, we are looking at 30s. It's 35 degrees in Green Bay. Winds are gusting out of the south at around 25 miles per hour. In Appleton, we've got 36 and a mixture of clouds and stars. We had that freezing rain north of Green Bay earlier today. It's now making its way across lower Michigan and Ontario. That was at the leading edge of the warm air. Now we've got a cold front moving in from the north and west, and that cold front is going to bring another dramatic change to our weather. South and east of it this afternoon, temperatures were in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. North of it, though, temperatures were only in the teens and 20s, and that much colder weather is going to push back in here tomorrow. We'll see highs in the mid-20s during the middle of the afternoon before temperatures start to climb. Now, we've had a relatively stagnant weather pattern over the last 3 weeks. That's why it's been so cold. But the jet stream is buckling, and that means we've got an active pattern developing across North America. It's going to be windy at times. We're going to have warm-ups, temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees above normal. We're going to have significant cool downs with highs running 15 to 20 degrees below normal. And as those changes take place, we will have numerous chances for wintry mixes across the area, kind of like what we saw today. Tomorrow, sunshine mixing with clouds with those colder temperatures. But tomorrow night, the next frontal boundary already approaches from the west. It's a warm front. Out ahead of it, we'll have some snow or a wintry mix. Excuse me, trying to hold that cough back, going back over to rain on Thursday before possibly ending as some snow Thursday night and early Friday as another batch of cold air drops in from Canada. So tonight, gusty winds, temperatures initially climbing into the mid and upper 30s or holding steady and then falling down to around 25 degrees by tomorrow morning and then holding in the mid-20s for much of the day before we start to climb again tomorrow evening. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is actually 36 because I go from midnight to midnight, and I think that high temperature is going to be in about 5.5 hours. If we can hit that high within 3 degrees, we'll donate $100 to the Oshkosh Area Community Pantry, and we did that today. Here are those wild swings on the thermometer over the next 7 days, 30s, teens, single digits for highs in some cases, with on and off chances for some snow, sleet, freezing rain, or rain.